How about I show you an automation that handles each email? It first evaluates the content of the email. The AI automatically generates a reply and mails it to them. Welcome to the 8th automation of our 100 automation series. If you're running a company, you might be having a company email address. And if you don't have an assistant who is there to attend all the emails, that you might be wasting a lot of time handling the emails. How about I show you an automation that handles each email the way it should be handled. It doesn't only start replying to all the emails, but it first evaluates the content of the email, and based on the content, either decides whether it should be discarded, like the promotional emails or notifications from any platform that you're using. Those emails generally don't need a reply, right? So why to waste your AI credits? The second one, the emails that are not very important but could be replied based on some of your company information. In my case, as we are an AI automation agency, we analyze the email, and if it's regarding pricing or any other generic query, the AI automatically generates a reply and mails it to them. And the third and the most important one, if this is an important email that needs to be taken care directly with your own time, then it sends out a notification so that I can attend only those emails. Sounds great, right? That's the kind of automations you get when a developer builds it for you. Hi, my name is Mohit Mrinal and welcome to the 8th automation of our 100 automation series at Rohini AI, where we build workflows and AI agents that run on autopilot. More about me and what we do at the end of this video. Welcome to the screen. And as you can see, this is a fairly simple automation this time. And let me remind you that this is completely customizable based on your company needs and how you operate. So the first module is just looking up for the emails, and we do not restrict our automations to Google, Microsoft or other email providers, but this one is integrating the IMAP email account. We know this, that most of the time when you're using your custom development environment, your email addresses might be IMAP or POP. So the second module is actually trying to evaluate the content of this email. And let me show you one more thing, that we are taking both HTML content and text content, because some of the emails that we receive are embedded in the text format or some are in the HTML format. So we are taking both because most of the time it's just one of them. So the other variable would be empty. And this module is trying to analyze whether this email is worth a reply or not. So it actually has three kind of outcomes. First, the emails that are not worth the reply. So we are actually not even considering them after this step. The second kind of emails are the ones that could be immediately replied using AI generated content. So that's what I am filtering here. And then the third kind of emails are the ones that are important and should not be replied through the AI. So over there, this route will be taken. So in this one, first I'm trying to generate a reply body, and then based on that reply body, another module is generating a reply subject line, which is appropriate for the email. And finally, I'm just handing out the email using this subject and this body. On the other hand, when the email is important, you really want to attend it yourself, then I'm using this Brevo module to send me a SMS with the content that important email is received, so that I can directly look into my inbox and handle it myself. I also kept this Apple push notification just to show you that we can also integrate it with Apple push notifications if you want. For this one, we just need a keychain ID that is pretty easy to generate. But yeah, for this automation, we did not link it because I think SMS are fine for now. For me at least. So, how was it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Mohit Mrinal, and over the past 7 years, I have built myself into an IT wizard. I have built over 15 plus full stack web development projects, 10 plus Flutter application projects, worked as an IT consultant at United Nations for a year, did my formal education in bridging the gap between IT and businesses from Vienna, and developed over 30 plus AI tools before finally starting my AI automation agency at Rohini AI. What makes us different? First, familiarity with the business processes and applications. Second, we build tailored AI solutions that are specifically designed for your business needs. And third, and the most important point, a developer who speaks business and really cares about your business. Book a discovery call from our website today and see you on the other side.